Just one such life should be wasted in a place without a single challenge 100,000 rocket China second stop. This time we brought the sleeping bag is heavy, so I chose the fastest and surest come back after there's only about an hour's walk left. It's now over 1,300 meters above sea level. Visibility is very poor today. There are clouds everywhere. It's like being in a wonderland. After reaching the summit, feel the mountain is really cold. I hope you all spend the night at the top of the mountain and be sure to sound safe. Hello. We were up against the tent is set up full asleep. It's for 30 patient time. Let's get up now and watch the sunset. Whoa, it's really cool on the top of the mountain. The world is so contradictory. We're in thin clothes. We are enduring low temperatures, but I couldn't get the picture I wanted. Ari also caught a cold in the gale. His desire to go down the mountain has reached it, but the unwillingness in everyone's heart. That's the sign. In Pingxiang. It is said to have originated in the Song Dynasty, has been included in the Olympic red wrap stuffed meat, spicy and tender meat with rice. You can try 3 bowls at a time. In the evening, we were at the top. I'm a very interesting person. He is the regular singer of the store. We talk about life, sharing ideals. It's like old friends reuniting. He encouraged us to come on stage. How young people must pursue their dreams. Life is an experience. Be brave enough to do what you think is meaningful. He found out about to embark on a self-driving journey. Give us a guitar. He wants us to take this guitar with complete the journey. No matter how far the journey, no matter how uncertain the future, we will all walk bravely with this blessing. The answer is on the way. My dream. We are on the way. To be continued.